Welcome to Inked by Jill. I'm now a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator again. So we're going to get started with Faux die cut inlay with the Potted Succulents background die. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to show you a way to make this background die look like you're doing die cut inlay, but we're not. So I have already stamped and cut and colored these three images from the Simply Succulents stamp set. I used Granny Apple Green and did some ink blending with one of the new brushes over this to fill it in. We're going to ink blend on one panel, and I'm going to be using Balmy Blue, Pool Party, and Coastal Cabana. And we're going to do just an ink blend down the entire panel. And then I'm going to take this other panel and I'm going to die cut this out, and we're going to use the outline. Back over here on this one, we're going to emboss this same image on that panel. We're going to square it up, center it up, and we're going to emboss that image on there. Then we're going to take that outline and put it on top of that, and it's going to look like die cut inlay. Really simple, cheap. Here we go.